Welcome to AI Mortgage News. I am Liam, your lead anchor for national mortgage market and macroeconomic analysis. It is Tuesday, April 7th, 2026, at 4:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. We are reporting on a day that began with extreme tension and ended with a glimmer of hope. April 7th has been circled as one of the most critical days on the geopolitical calendar. This was the deadline for Iran to accept terms or face a major escalation in the conflict. The mortgage market was bracing for impact, because a full-scale escalation would all but destroy any hope for a quick end to market-related fallout. But then, just as the closing bell approached, a shift occurred. Pakistan floated a proposal for a 2-week ceasefire in exchange for reopening the Strait of Hormuz. The reaction was immediate. Markets responded favorably to the notion. Stocks and bonds both rallied, while oil prices fell to their session lows. Given the severe nature of the alternative, it would be a surprise if tomorrow, Wednesday, did not involve a larger-than-normal move in one direction or the other. Let us look at the economic data that hit the tape today. ADP employment change for the week came in at 26,000, which is a significant jump from the previous reading of 10,000. Core capex for February was also strong, hitting 0.6%, compared to the 0.4% forecast and the 0% previous reading. However, durable goods for February were a disappointment, falling 1.4% versus the forecast of a 0.5% drop. Now, let us track the market movement throughout this volatile session. At 9:03 a.m., the market was flat overnight. MBS were down only one tick, and the 10-year yield sat at 4.331%. By 9:41 a.m., we saw the first signs of weakness. MBS were down 1/8 of a point, and the 10-year yield climbed to 4.356%. The pressure continued through the morning. By 11:30 a.m., we were at the weakest levels of the day. MBS were down a full quarter point, and the 10-year yield hit a peak of 4.364%, but the afternoon brought a recovery. By 3:07 p.m., MBS were down only 1/8, and the 10-year yield moved back to 4.336%. Finally, at 4:34 p.m., the ceasefire optimism took hold. We ended well into the green. Comment, like, and subscribe for more AI mortgage news updates. I'll see you in the next one.